Today we'll talk about how can you add phone number on your remainder app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your remainder app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go above the sign, you click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you click here on notifications, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on add phone or email, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you here phone number. You just click on it here. So then here add your phone number. When you're done, just go above next, click on it. Then it's going to send to you a code, then add it, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.